Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a stamp to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this stamp option. Click here. Now click on this stamp arrow and this is dynamic stamps. You can add these stamps. Increase, decrease and move. And see this sign here stamps, and these are business stamps completed, and increase, decrease the stamp size. This is also you can create custom stamps. You can insert here an image or logo stamps. Also you can transparent this system. Click on this system and click right button from your mouse cursor and select properties. And you can transparent your systems. This is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.